I've been meaning to share this with you for a while, and I swear to God, this is like the best hack if you're looking for something sweet, like you're craving something and you don't want to go and like eat something that is kind of like gonna throw you off your plan a lot. Not that there's anything wrong with any food, okay? So, you know, you're welcome to have your treats when you want them, but I like love this as something that's won't make you feel guilty after. You're gonna get your protein in, and it's pretty low in calories, carbs, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna show you. I am using, I'm doing this vegan. So some people will use egg white with this, but I am doing this without any animal products. So this is a small container of the Fruit Station's unsweetened applesauce. And I chose this one because it's 50 calories. The other ones are 60 or more, and so this one is just less. So in one bowl, you're going to take that and just dump the whole thing in there. So that's like 50 calories. There's no added sugar to this at all. Then I've got vanilla, so vanilla extract. And I don't really like measure this out totally, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna put, I would say, 2 teaspoons, okay, and with the applesauce, and that's just gonna get mixed up there, okay? So the next thing you want is your protein powder. I'm using for this one, it's a vanilla cupcake batter flavor, and it's this one here by Beyond Yourself, and I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this. So you want to put this in a separate bowl. So my 2 scoops are gonna go in a separate bowl, and with this protein powder, you're going to now use your baking powder. Okay, so you're gonna want about a teaspoon of that. Not even, like, let's say like 3/4. Mix that all up. And if you want it a little sweeter, you can use sweetener. So I'm just gonna throw a Splenda pack in there. Whoops. Okay, so Splenda pack in there. You can see this is very organized. And then a little bit of salt. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turns. And then you're just gonna mix all of that up, all your dry stuff. So once you have all your dry mixed up separately, and then your wet mixed up, you can start to add them together. Now, I didn't add anything else to this, but you could totally add like chocolate chips or some like almond slivers or something like that to give some crunch to it. And so I'm just gonna start adding the dry into the wet. And then you're just gonna mix it up, and you'll find that it starts to get dry, but like when you start, if you start mushing it, it'll continue to make almost like a cookie dough consistency. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Just don't want to tip it right now because it's still some powder. So I just keep mushing it in. Okay, so right now it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. You could literally eat it like this, and like, I don't know, that tastes so good to me. I'm gonna come back after I microwave it for 1 minute, and you can see what it looks like, okay? Okay, so I'm back, and it doesn't really look any different, but oh my God, it's so good. Like, it's just amazing, like, treat. What it tastes like to me is like, you know when you make cookie batter, cookie dough, and you want to eat it, but it's like just that little bit fluffier. Oh my God, it's so good. And my husband's made the one with egg white before, but he actually prefers one with applesauce. So it's super simple. And if you think about the macros, there would be 40 grams of protein in there. Hang on, let me check the calories. So So it would be 200 calories from the protein, 50 calories from the applesauce, so that's 250 calories in that little mug, and honestly it's actually really filling. And then if you add anything else to it, then you would just add that on. But it's such a great like way to get a sweet tooth, like to curb your sweet tooth or whatever. I don't know, I love it. If you try it, let me know what you think. You can use any protein powder you want, so it doesn't matter what I used. I just happened to use that one, and because I wanted the cupcake batter flavor, but you could use literally anything and do the exact same thing. Hopefully that was helpful, and again, let me know if you try it. Okay, bye.